Hey guys, we're live at 7:18 and we're running the third and almost final mini for the CAS 85 D2 Luke. I got 40 spots here. I'm going to take over to random. That's what we're playing for. Top 7 win spots in the main. Going to paste our list in here. There you see we got 40. I am going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an 11. So we're in great shape. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Sergio in the top spot for our first round. Don 2. Mark takes 3. Eric 4. Steve in the top spot for round 5. Sergio again on top in round 6. Patrick 7. Lucas 8. Mark takes round 9. Gary in the top spot for our next to last round, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Nice figure. Here we go. And our winners are Andrew, Eric, Sergio, Andrew, Sergio, Steve, and Andrew. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. JSQDIM. There's our winners. There's our whole list. I'm done. It's 7:20. There you go. Again, here's our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you in the main. Thanks.